Good evening, everyone. This is Satara. This is day 3, February 17th, 2014, day 3 of the 90 Day to 10K challenge. Today I returned to my daytime gig, so I had to really kick it into gear today in terms of time management. I love the application Hootsuite. I used that today to schedule a bunch of Facebook and Twitter posts. So that was really helpful to me just because during the day I'm limited in terms of my ability to go out to the internet and post things. So Hootsuite saved me a ton today, just being able to get things out in regular intervals during the course of the day. One of our assignments is to read the book by Carrie George. It's called The Millionaire Mindset. And I started it on Saturday evening, and I read a little bit of it each day. It's a great book. It can it really does change your mindset in terms of helping you to think like a millionaire. One thing in the book that really stuck out to me, it's actually a quote by a gentleman named Val Vanderwall, and the quote was, "It takes energy to make something increase or something grow." So in terms of that, my idea with regard to that quote is that it takes energy to grow a crop or a flower. It takes energy and concentrated energy in order to grow anything. If you want to grow your income, then you need to concentrate your energy onto growing your income, because it won't grow just because you say, "I want it to grow." You have to concentrate your energy into doing that. If you want to lose weight, you have to concentrate your energy into losing weight. You can't just say, "I want to lose weight," and do nothing to further that goal along. You have to actually concentrate on doing things to further that goal, and then that will help you accomplish that goal. But that's just something I read in the book that really stood out to me, that if you want something to happen, you have to concentrate your energy towards making it happen. Instead of just verbalizing and just saying, "I want to make it happen," you need to concentrate on making it happen. Thanks, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.